Hey, we're just doing a little update of why we haven't been doing anything in the machine shop. We've been out at the diesel shop. Got a couple of projects hanging around. Just got to send a Rottler boring machine. Take over to the machine shop. FA2 EB. It seems like it's almost like brand dang new. So that's going in. We have been doing remodeling over there, building up some walls and moving equipment around. Got some fixtures to go with it. Hopefully Preston will we can get him tucked back into drag racing. Here's his little mini dragster. We're fixing to start doing some work on it, maybe a couple of video series with it. We're updating his clutch from this old junior clutch to just had him a custom clutch built out for him, weighted out and everything. It's a 7.9 car. So we got the carb off. We're gonna redo it where it's been sitting for the last half a year with alcohol in it. And we're gonna go through the engine and freshen it up. And I think we're gonna maybe repaint or do a wrap on it. So if you can think of what kind of wrap, something to look cool, shoot us some comments. We got a frame off on a 1975 Jeep we're in the process of. Long-term process. This is my daily driver. She's in on the rack for long due, needed repairs. Axle seals, brakes, intake gaskets, exhaust manifolds. Apparently I haven't did much to it in the last 7 years. These are the original spark plugs. And see if I can get it to focus here. They look horrible. I don't even know how it's running. But this is the old diesel shop we got here. Got a couple pieces in here. Couple pieces to the Jeep. There's the skid steer engine Preston's going to be doing a video series on. That's the smoke 'em if you got 'em. So Preston helped pull that out, and he's got shots of it already tore down. We've just got to get the machine shop back together so we can get the videos uploaded, and we got to finish doing the machining. But he'll do all the machining, the engine build, and then we'll get that back together. What else we got, Preston?
Got a CNC.
Yeah.
While we're tearing our shop apart, so
So,
have space to put it.
What have we been doing? Ripping up the whole shop, right?
Yeah.
Cutting out walls, putting in stuff. So we've got a 4-axis CNC.
Use a scale size, I guess. How big?
It's pretty big. It's a 4020 pedal with extended Z. So I think it's 28 in the Z. We got 4th axis rotator on there. We've been cleaning it up. It's been stuffed up in my diesel shop for a while. But it's fixing to go to the machine shop, and then Preston's gonna learn how to machine on this thing. Of course I will be too on this process. Should be for a neat experience. What else we got going on? There's the rest of the Jeep tub we did for the frame off. And that's about it. So hopefully we'll get some things caught up and you can see this little guy start doing some work again. Huh? If you got anything you want to see him fix or repair or do, just leave us a comment. Thanks. We'll catch you later.